Grab either a pen or hop on the nearest computer. Why? It is time to write a short story, a made up short story, better known as fiction. Fiction, for the story, we need to have some characters, a setting, and a theme. How many characters? Well, probably four. How big of a setting? Pretty simple, like maybe one or two places you can go to. And the theme can be anyone from love, heartbreak, or friendship. Let's take a look at this example of a short story. Nina, who was 16 years she's a guy named Adam, was instantly in love with him, Adam. But there's one problem. She discovers Adam is deaf. So Nina ends up taking an ASL class in order to tell Adam how she feels. While taking a sign language class, she meets Tom. That's where she meets Thomas. Thomas keeps on annoying her to death, being her. When she goes to tell Adam how she feels, he doesn't feel the same way. He feels actually differently. That's because Adam is homosexual and has a partner. She was really hurt and heartbroken, but was there to comfort her and the side that Emma gleaned. In this, we need to show that there is a problem. The problem is Adam death, which causes a conflict. Conflict that creates tension, which people like for some reason. The characters are in our story. You have Nina, she's the main character. Then we have these side characters like Thomas and Adam. They are how the character behaves and what role they might play in this story. We also need to figure out where it takes place, which is on a walk that Nina is taking. We also maybe we have to use our perspectives, our senses, but not all at once. Our senses, taste, hearing, touch. Taste, touch, hearing. Sight, and feel. But don't use them all at once. That's too confusing. We also need to figure out which perspective the story is going to be taking place in. Is it going to be first person perspective? Like if we use the word I, we can sort of say I have realized Mia is feeling sick. That is how we just it's us being in the story, but not we're not we're part of the story. Or is the story going to be in third person? Where is she and or there are his the example sentence here is like I couldn't tell if Nina looked happy or sad. Like, she looked like she was going to throw up. Let's try this again now. Since we have another short story here. Make Since we know our theme and our characters and the setting. Okay, so Nina just woke up. She had no idea how her day was going to go. She already woke up late, managed to get yelled at by her teacher, and ended up walking toward like is already having a very bad day. She ended up walking to the canteen, maybe thinking some lunch or cheer her up. Then, a few minutes after she stepped into the canteen, Nina tripped over her steps. Her food and drink went up in the air, which landed all good. Lasagna landed in her hair. The jug shattered, which caused the students to look to figure out what was going on. Nina was only seeing pastel colors, which led her because she was so confused about what was happening with the noodles and everything in her hair. That's where she met Adam. She thought he was the most gorgeous guy that has, I, but she had zero idea of what was going to happen. When she met Adam, she saw Adam, the most gorgeous guy that has ever stepped foot and walk on the floors of the school, and saw Lena.